Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ghost touch is when your iPhone screen responds to touches that you didn't actually make. This can be frustrating and hinder your device usability. Here is a detailed guide to help you troubleshoot and fix ghost touch issues on your iPhone. The first step is to clean your screen. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently wipe the screen. Make sure there is no dirt, smudges or water droplets. Next, remove any screen protector or case. If you have a screen protector, carefully remove it. Sometimes, poorly applied screen protectors can cause touch issues. Also, remove your iPhone case to ensure it's not pressing against the screen or causing any pressure points. Another step is to update your iOS. Go to the setting, then click on General, and then click on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install it. Updates can fix software bugs that may be causing the ghost touch issues. Still in General, scroll down and tap on Transfer and Reset Phone. Tap Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset system settings like Wi-Fi password and wallpapers. You can also perform a hard reset. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. You can also check for external interference. Sometimes ghost touches can be caused by environmental factors. Try using your iPhone in a different area to see if the problem persists. If none of the above steps work, there may be an hardware issue. Visit an Apple store or an authorized service provider for a professional diagnosis and repair. Ghost touch issues can be quite disruptive, but by following these steps, you can diagnose and potentially fix the issue. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.